Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, samma'una lil-kazibi akkaluna lis-suht, فإن جاءوك فاحكم بينهم أو أعرض عنهم وإن تعرض عنهم فلن يضروك شيئا وإن حكمت فاحكم بينهم بالقسط إن الله يحب المقسطين. Translation: Listeners for falsehood and for spying, they are greedy of the unlawful gains that is forbidden. So if they come to you, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, judge between them or turn away from them. If you turn away from them, avoiding judgment, they will not be able to harm you at all. And if you make the judgment, then judge between them with justice and fair equity. Certainly Allah loves those who do equitable justice. In the previous ayah, we saw that Jews brought a case for the decision in front of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made a decision, they did not accept the decision because they had in their hearts that if they will find the decision what they liked, they will accept, and if Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will make a decision that they don't like, they will not accept it. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told some qualities of these people, that they are the listeners of the falsehood and they spy to make harm to Muslims in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they are greedy and they get the bribe to make decisions and use the religious knowledge to earn money. But O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if you want to judge them, you have the permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that you can judge for them. But if you don't want to judge them, don't judge them, and if you don't do the judgment for them, they will not be able to make any harm to you. Hazrat Ibn Abbas said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had given this choice to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the beginning, and after some time, when Islam was the prevailing religion, and when Islam was established in Medina, the order was of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was to make decision and do not turn away any case that come for him for the decision, but always make the decision according to Sharia of Islam and according to the justice. One more important thing to understand here, that the qualities of Jews were explained, that these are the people who are listeners of the falsehood and they are spying and they are greedy and taking bribes. But even if you are making decisions for these criminals and these opponents of Islam, and you make the decision with justice and always make the decision with justice, and this is the basis of this universe, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this universe on the justice, and that's what is ordered for all the humanity, that one must not leave justice. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.